Hello everyone, and welcome to our guide on creating Instagram ads using Meta Ads Manager. Whether you're a business owner looking to expand your reach or a marketer aiming to enhance your brand's presence, Instagram ads can be a powerful tool. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to get your ad up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Ads Manager. You can find it by going directly to adsmanager.facebook.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in to the correct account to access the Ads Manager dashboard. Now that you're in Ads Manager, look for the Campaigns tab. It should be prominently displayed on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Campaigns. This is where you'll manage all of your ad campaigns, both past and present. Next, let's move on to creating your new ad. Look for the Create button, typically located in the middle of the screen or towards the top right corner. Clicking this button will initiate the process of setting up a new ad campaign. Once you click Create, you'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you want to run. For Instagram ads specifically, you'll want to select Create New Campaign, and then choose an objective that aligns with your marketing goals. For instance, if you're looking to increase brand awareness, select the corresponding option. Alternatively, if your goal is to drive traffic to your website, choose that objective instead. After selecting your campaign objective, you'll have the opportunity to boost a specific post. This is a great way to highlight content that has already performed well or is particularly engaging. Boosting a post means it will appear as a sponsored ad to your target audience on Instagram. Now comes the fun part, customizing your ad. You'll have the option to choose your ad format, whether it's a single image, carousel, or video. Make sure to select visually appealing and relevant content to grab the attention of your audience. Don't forget to write a compelling caption and include a clear call to action to encourage engagement. Once you're satisfied with your ad's appearance and message, it's time to set your budget and schedule. Determine how much you're willing to spend and the duration for which you want your ad to run. You can set a daily budget or a lifetime budget depending on your preference. Finally, review all your settings to ensure everything is correct. Once you've double-checked everything, hit publish and your ad will be submitted for review. After it's approved, it will go live on Instagram, reaching your chosen audience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating Instagram ads in Meta Ads Manager. We hope this tutorial was helpful and inspires you to create engaging ad campaigns. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.